I'm James Akers. I'm the tie guy. This is the tornado knot. We need a lot of the back of the tie to tie the tornado. Now, if you have a super long knot, you could do a 4-way tornado. We're only going to do 3-way because this is a regular average length tie. We have to go pretty short though with the front. So we squeeze it together since this is a wide zinnia tie. We're going to take the back of the tie over the front, back behind, and then we take the bottom of the back of the tie and we loop it down through the neckline. And we want to just get this all tight, and at this point make sure the front of the tie is nice and flat against your chest, otherwise you kind of get screwed up there. Come across the front then, behind, and down. Now here's where we actually start to create our tornado look. This is complicated, it's not real easy, but with some practice you can get this right. Excuse me, come around behind, and then fold the tie in half. Literally fold it in half. And we come up around, keeping it folded in half, behind, around again. Keeping it folded in half is the hardest part. And we're going to go one more time up and around. Now what we're going to do is take this part of the tie. There's two ways you can do this. You can take a safety pin and you can safety pin it here, or you can just tuck it. I'm just going to tuck it. So I'm going to jump off this video. I'm sorry, this is how you actually tie the tie. I'm going to jump off the video now. I'm going to tidy it up and put some pictures on my Instagram, and you will see the tornado knot. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.